even get to cross.
I can't tell you anymore.
Shoot, I forgot what this. Oh, hey, G, are you gonna get Mortal Kombat X?
Nobody wants that. Got my little sniper. We're gonna go far in the world with this little sniper. With this little sniper.
I asked, are you gonna get Mortal Kombat X? Or else, what are your thoughts on it?
Well, I'm honestly gonna say I'm probably not gonna get it.
You won't?
I probably won't. I don't really do Mortal Kombat games. I mean, I got one on the GameCube, and that's about all I went on Mortal Kombat.
I never really was. Oh, beyond. I never really was for it at first, but kind of looking at the new Mortal Kombat game and then getting a game, Mortal Kombat Complete Edition. You know, the last Mortal Kombat game that came out.
Yeah.
I'm actually really impressed with it. I actually kind of like it.
I'm just not really fighting. I don't like fighting games like that, you know.
What I like about the next game is that it has Predator and Jason Voorhees in it when you pre-order it. But the only thing I want to know right now is when they're going to release it for the older systems. Because newer systems are going to be released April 14th, I think it is.
I don't know. Is it ever going to be released for old system? Surely it is. It's a fighting game.
Katana.
Yeah, I'm good.
As far as they know, they pushed the release date for the older systems. They just don't have exactly a release date yet.
I mean, it's just a fighting game, so I'm sure the old consoles can handle that.
Yeah, probably. I didn't even think about that.
Oh crap! I was trying to shoot that zombie. I didn't mean that. Yo, I didn't mean that.
Oh, no, I got smoked.
I got you, man.
I'm way over here.
I told you I got you. Yeah.
Hey, thanks a lot.
Oh crap!
Nick.
There's like a hunter right there.
Bill's here.
Leave me alone.
Reload.
Holy crap, the lag. Do 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 do.
Reloading.
Really, Hammerhead, you gonna use a Jimmy?
Reload.
Yep.
Is he muting his mic?
I got some adrenaline shots here. Oh good, I could use some adrenaline.
I got Nick.
Come on.
Hey, I'm reloading. Watch out!
Wow, Dono.
Whole bunch of...
Wow, you almost killed Nick.
It's not my fault it was in the way. Bitter.
Got it. I'm actually digging this hunting rifle.
Alright, anybody got eyes on the witch?
She's out there. Never mind, that was not her. Tango negative.
Ow.
Man, I didn't even hit you.
I got 15 and auto shotty.
Hey, I'm
I
reloading.
got a deagle. I swear if I hit a witch on an accident.
Reloading here.
Oh crap! What the crap happened? Man, Nick, I don't need your help. He's like, man, you're gonna die next time. Man, I don't need to hear that. Who wants to hear that they're gonna die next time they go down? Yep, you're gonna die.
Yeah, sure. Just remind me of my own mortality in this whole apocalypse situation. That's great.
It's like you get bit by a zombie. Hey, you're gonna die. Well, no crap.
Oh crap! There's another witch.
Yeah.
Can we hop up here? Can we hop up here? Nope.
You can just run around there.
Ramp. Reloading.
I got a bile bomb. Want me to use it or no?
No, I'll just save it.
Reloading.
Oh god.
Ah, crap.
That guys.
Okay. I'll get you in a minute, dude.
Reloading. Gotta reload.
Thanks, man.
Yeah.
I always hated this level.
Yeah. I don't really like Hard Rain as a level in general.
Oh hey, another Jimmy. Alright, that's what all happened.
Hammerhead, are you muting your mic every time you say something?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It looks like I used my health kit.
Yeah, your bot. Sorry. Jockey. Dino, watch out.
No.
I'll say that, and what happens to Dino? He gets.
I was careful. I was backing up, but he got up to me.
Man, you didn't back up.
We gotta move now.
Another witch on the right side.
Boomer! Yeah, you have fun with that, Nick. Alright, I'll just draw him away.
Hey, I ain't leaving you, but you.
Nick's gotta deal with them all now. I'll come save him.
So horrible.
Well, it was necessary to save a hammer. It was necessary to save you, man.
There's a pipe bomb.
You figured right on, Nick. What the crap was that? Well, Nick, you're probably gonna be dead. But that's okay. We might need that. No. There's probably pills in here.
Hey, there's pipe bomb.
There's a pipe bomb in here. Ah, take that shotgun.
Junkie, you might want to leave that building now because the witch is wandering inside.
Oh, crap. I got this. Told you, man.
So lucky.
Man, you're just jealous because of the skills. I'm joking. Here you go, Nick.
You're an ass.
I'm no use to this.
I saved Nick, okay? Going in this trailer saved Nick. He's healed.
Because of the zombies. Zombies.
Zombies. Save me, I'm a zombie. Oh, crap.
He chose you over me.
Well, you had... See, he wanted a skinnier bone.
Stop that shit.
Man, Coach, don't tell me what to stop.
Say it, never mind.
Watch out.
I was gonna ask about something, but I don't want to say it on the off chance I jinx it. So.
Say it. Go ahead.
You're wondering where the tank is, aren't you?
Yes. I'm used to having a tank happen somewhere at this point, and we haven't had one happen yet.
There probably won't happen till next level when we get up here. He'll probably be at the elevator door.
I hit it.
Through the cane field.
Oh, hey, there's zombies down there.
Oh, crap.
There are 2 witches down, 3
Are you serious?
at the elevator.
Man, Nick, that's bull crap. Oh, crap.
This is a scary sight to see right here. If you could see what I'm seeing,
Oh, crap. Nick! Smoker!
Heck no.
There.
get ready get inside, but we'll get screwed. Quick, hop inside. But be ready for witches at the bottom.
I've killed so many special infected right here.
There are 3. I'm not kidding right now when I say there are 3 witches at the bottom, and there's 1 right in front of the door.
Man, I got this. Don't worry about it, man. Skills. What did I tell you about them skills? Watch this. Oh, crap.
I have a med kit ready on standby.
Okay. Hey. There you go.
That's 1.
Grabbing a jar of puke.
I got 3 files.
What do you mean, oh? What the crap's going on?
Hey, was there anything in the shack?
There's bile jars.
2 vials and a pipe bomb.
Alright. Follow the pipe. And be quick about it. Keep moving! Don't shoot.
What do you mean, don't shoot? I got you, Hammer. Oh, never mind, I don't got you. That's bullcrap.
It's on me.
Oh! Gosh,
Which?
that witch scared the crap out of me. I almost shot her. Let's just get in here and go.
Oh, no.
I'm in.
It's in a safe room.
Oh, wrong spot.
Hey, can somebody watch my
Oh,
back?
I just got charged.
Oh, Dono, why you out there?
I was coming through the door, but just before I could, the truck got me. Shoot. Okay, I'm good.
Shit, win.
I'm
Get up!
right by the car.
You want me to show her? She's dead.
Excuse me while I heal myself.
I just killed a witch.
Look
That's
at all the
background noise.
You remember that witch next to that car? I killed her. She's dead. She don't exist.
What doesn't exist?
That witch next to the car that you said, "Oh my gosh, look next to the car." I was like, "You want to know what?" And I killed it.
There was a witch? I didn't know there was a witch.
Well, the more you know. And I'm probably gonna get kicked out because I'm trying to connect to the server.
Oh,
Yep.
no.